Demonstrating here is daisy chaining for the purposes of seat connectivity, and we are doing this using the Valence VA6000 chipset. What we have set up in the demo for you are effectively 3 different seats in the aircraft, and we connect them together using the simplest cable that there is. This is unshielded twisted pair, a single twisted pair that can actually run up to 15 meters long per link in the chain. We've actually got 2 hops in this daisy chain. We could extend this far longer. What we can do on this single unshielded twisted pair is carry simultaneously 1 gigabit of Ethernet along with USB 2.0 data, I2S audio and certain controls. So actually this could form in itself a video on demand system using video over the Ethernet link. But what we are showing here actually is the use of USB data that is being streamed by the screen. So let's imagine that we are sitting in seat number 2. The screen that we are looking at is actually in the back of seat number 1, and physically the USB is connected to seat number 1. However, because we are sitting in seat number 2, we need to get the audio out at that point. So what we actually are doing is streaming USB data from the disc on key over the link to the display in the seat in front, taking the audio, I2S audio back from seat 1 over the daisy chain, over the same cable to seat 2, where we can output it as a headset, or in this case we're using loudspeakers for the purposes of the demo. There is absolutely no problem with lip syncing, with timing, because the delay on this cable is just a few microseconds. Similarly, what we have here is the ability for somebody sitting in seat number 3 to stream video from his disc on key over to the screen that's in the back of seat 2. And once again, we send the audio down the next hop of the daisy chain, and we're able in seat number 3 to hear the audio that we're watching from the screen that's actually on the back of seat number 2. What we can also do with this, of course, is for example, the PA system on the aircraft. We can send PA messages the entire length of the aircraft, simply because there is very little delay on the cable. As I said, each link is less than 10 microseconds, so we can transmit the audio the entire length, the PA audio the entire length of the aircraft, without there being any sync issues between the first loudspeaker in the system and the last loudspeaker in the system.